Hello my king and queens, welcome back to the Bambas channel. Thank you for coming back. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and let's get started. This is a $5 fountain, tabletop fountain I got from $3. Raining Lotus LED tabletop fountain. I don't know why I got it because I have like how many water fountains, but probably just put this on. Probably is gonna like it on the office table or the massage room or something. But anyways, let's see what it looks like, because I'm actually excited to see. The other one I made a review was like $80. Oh, it came with stone, fancy. I was just like, I have low expectations, not because it's from $3, but because of the price. Okay, I guess that's why. And I don't think hubby is gonna want. Oh, did I forgot to mention it's battery operated? How many AA batteries? So 2 AA batteries. I can't wait to see this one. I wonder how long it will last. The fact that it's battery operated is what actually got me very interested. The lights are back there, and then the battery is there. So I got 2 AA batteries. So what I did was, it's a little hard to open. I slide it up towards the direction, and then I use the knife to pop it open because I ain't got time to be waiting. I guess this doesn't come out all the way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my battery. Put the other one. This might be a little hard. Okay, so turn it on. Where do I pour the water? I'm guessing in here. How much amount of water can it take? Well, let's pour the stones in. It says to pour the water. Okay, and turn it on. That's better. Do we have any setting? It's just off and on fountain. I wonder how long until the battery runs out. This is so relaxing. For some reason I want to feel some vapor, and it's splashing a little bit. It's splashing a little, just a tiny bit. I don't know if I should reduce the water. Let's see. Anyways, not bad for $5. I actually think maybe it'd be tinkle a little bit, but it's like someone is chasing the water out of nowhere. But that's what it looks like, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just like, comment if you have questions and stuff I should review. And none of our videos are sponsored, none, because I like my honest review. Just like I definitely didn't need this, but I got it. So like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.